Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week, chopping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to get a professional mix out of your tracks. I'm showing you guys the repeatable steps that's going to get you there every single time. Look, man, I'm not even going to overtalk it. If you're still struggling to get your vocals and your beat balanced, I got a completely free course down. Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's Vivi. Look, are you still struggling to get your mixes to sound professional? You fighting to get the vocals to sit inside the beat? Or maybe you're just tired of spending hours and hours on mixes just to end up nowhere. Let me fix that for you. This course is about to take all of the guesswork out of setting your levels, balancing your vocals and your beat, and getting your vocals to sit inside the mix. It's also going to help you out with loudness and help you to get an overall better balanced and more professional sound. All right, so look, if that's what you need, click down below. Go ahead and take this course. It's absolutely free, and I know it's going to change the game for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace. All right, let's jump into this track. I'm going to play it back as it is now, and then we'll start to dig into how to mix it perfectly.
On they blockers, it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Bell, but that's way back. Know where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my skis.
All right, bet. So as you can hear, the song sounds pretty good. Like, I mean, you can hear them. It's cleanly recorded. The beat is cool, everything like that. But it needs some work, right? So the first thing that you need to do, if you want to get your you want to get your mix professional and you want to do it easily, is balance. Let's work on the balance of the track, and I'll try to show you the quickest way I know how to do it. So I'm going to grab the VMR. You don't have to use the VMR. You can use any VU meter that you want and use this meter to set the level of your vocals and your beat. So I'm going to do that first. Cool, I like that for the beat. Let's double back and work on the vocals. I'm just gonna set this at the bus level.
Blockers, it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Bell, but that's way back. Know where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my skis. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30.
Cool, let's go ahead and change something here at the bus level. I want to get rid of this plugin.
On they blockers, it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach.
All right, cool. So we got the balance better. Let's look at the levels of both of these, the music bus and the vocals bus, and see where they hit together.
On they blockers, it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since.
All right, bet. So that's done. Let's move on to the next step. The next step for getting your mix done easily and quickly is clipping. So let's go ahead and grab a clipper. I'm going to use my favorite one right now, which is Standard Clip, but you can use any clipper that you like. There's 1,000 different ones. I'm going to put this on Hard Clip, and let's see where we're at.
On they blockers, it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Bell, but that's way back. Know where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my skis. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat. Phone they blockers, it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Bell, but that's way back. Know where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene.
All right, cool. So that's clipping. Right, we got the clipping out of the way. The next thing we want to do is control. We're going to control through EQ and through compression. So I'm going to start with some EQ at the top level of the track, meaning on the bus level. So let me go ahead and grab an EQ. Aha, look at this. We already got some stuff up here. Let's see what this is. I'm actually going to bypass all of this, and we're going to just start fresh. So let me see where we are here. And let's see where our levels are in the fader as well.
On they blockers, it's all about payback.
Cool. Nice and loud. Let's grab an EQ. I'm going to go with the API EQ here from Slate. But again, you can use any EQ. Actually, instead of using this, I'm going to grab an Infinity EQ, something that's more visual, and we can use that to help us.
On they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my ski. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat. Phone they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my ski. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat. Phone they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours.
Cool, that's EQ. Let's go ahead and grab some compression. I'm going to use a mid-side compressor just because I want to get this compression doing a lot of work using one plugin. So we're going to switch this into mid-side mode, unlink the stereo, and let's get it.
On they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my ski. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat. Phone they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head.
So you got to be careful when you start to add compression, because compression always adds a little tiny bit of distortion. So you got to kind of balance it and you know, kind of toe the line and see where you can keep it clean, but also add that compression there. So I think we got some good compression settings. Let me listen back one more time.
On they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my ski. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat. Phone they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at.
Cool. I like that. So the last thing that we want to do is limiting. All right, so we're already pretty loud, but we are crossing 0 here, and we're not as loud as we want to be. So let's grab a limiter and see if we can't get this thing finished. I'm going to go with the FGX. All right, bet. So we're going to actually use the compressor up here as well. We're going to get less than 1 dB of gain reduction, and then we're going to add some gain through limiting.
On they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my ski. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat. Phone they block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my ski. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat. Phone they block, cause it's all about payback.
And just like that, man, it's that simple to get an A1 professional sounding mix every single time. Remember the 4 steps: balance, clipping, control, and limiting. It's that easy, man. You see, we didn't even touch any of the vocals. And look, man, if you need a little bit of help, drop me a line down below. My name is VV, and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
They block, cause it's all about payback. Holding my pistol, getting head in the Maybach. Boy, I been thugging since Belford, that's way back. The low where you at, putting shots where you lay at. Tell my niggas I love 'em every time that we leave. Protect one of mine, I leave yours on the scene. I don't care about the clout, I don't wanna be seen. So when I step out, I be wearing my ski. Money don't heal me, it make me feel better though. 30-some bands got stuck in this bubble coat.